What's up, guys? Welcome to East West Beats. I wanted to talk about this microphone that I was sent by this company named Fifine. They sent me their microphone that's only $27, and they claim that it has a really good sound. It's only $27. It's great for people who do podcasts. They kind of do online gaming. And what I'm really interested in is to see if I can take this microphone on the road and record at a hotel room and do something cool with it when I don't have my sound card with me, just my laptop and just a USB port available to me with a pair of headphones. And if I want to jot down ideas, if it's any good. The microphone came in a pretty small package. You can fit it in a laptop bag. The USB cable is connected to it, and it comes with a little desk stand, so you don't have to worry about mounting this microphone. You can just quickly throw it into your bag and you should be good to go. I tested the sound out as well. The sound is pretty good. I would say it's probably good for gaming or podcasting, but you probably want to put a little bit of a noise gate on it. I did have my Mac Pro running next to it, and it was catching a lot of the sound as well. But once I recorded the vocals and I tried it out in Logic, I was able to throw a denoiser on it, a noise gate on it, and I was able to make it sound pretty good. You can't expect much from a $27 microphone. It delivers for a $27 microphone. If you're into podcasting and if you're adding a track in the background, I don't think it's going to be much of an issue. It's great if you just want to throw it on and use it as your Skype or a FaceTime microphone. It does deliver better quality than the built-in camera. You can also use it for gaming if that's what you're interested into. And what I'm really interested in is actually taking this on the road with me. I do quite a bit of traveling, so if I can use it at a hotel room and use it to track any kind of vocals or just dub an idea into my laptop, to send it to a mix engineer or a music producer to get a rough demo done until I get into my studio and I record it in my Neumann. Neumann is my TLM 103 is my go-to microphone. Now, clearly, something that's $1,000 and something that's $27 is not a comparison. But the sound is pretty good for $27. So do I recommend it? Well, it depends on what your use is. If you're just going to use this for doing any kind of speech-related things, if you're going to be recording a podcast, gaming, FaceTime, Skype, etc., it's a great microphone for $27. I don't think I've seen anything as close to this that's literally for maybe price of 5 coffees at Starbucks. So it's a great microphone for $27. My daily driver is a TLM 103. Now, obviously, I shouldn't compare a $1,000 microphone to a $27 microphone, but again, there is a difference between that and this. However, it is not a bad microphone for $27. So I would highly recommend it, and check out a little bit of a voice test that I've done. I'm just gonna speak into the mic and record it for you guys, so you get a look and feel of what the microphone sounds like. And make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys at the next one. This is the test of Fifine K669B microphone. The volume is set to 50%. This is the test of K669B microphone. The volume is set at about 80%. This is the test of K669B microphone. The volume is set to about 20%. As you guys can see and hear, that it catches the voice pretty nicely. I mean, I am talking a little louder than I normally would, but it catches it pretty nicely. This is 50%. It does have the P and the W, so it's gonna catch your plosives pretty nicely. So Peter Pan, it does take that pretty nicely. So if you're gonna use it for any kind of recording, you probably wanna put a pop filter nearby it. But again, I think it does have a pretty nice control of how far it can catch the noise from, and that's probably why it catches a lot of the noise from the background from my Mac Pro. But again, if you have a denoiser that you can put on it, or if you can put a noise gate, it's gonna get rid of a lot of the things around it. And especially if you're gonna put a track in the background, I don't think it's gonna make much of a difference. And I would say it's a good mic. For $27, it's a very good mic. So if you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a link in my description. You can go buy it. If you're a Prime, you're going to get a mic in your house for $30 in less than 2 days. So you can't go wrong with it. So once again, this is the Fifine K669B microphone, mostly for podcasters or any kind of speech